Hi, Craig Tim here for That Black Stuff, the permanent solution to instantly restore your badly faded black car trim quickly and easily to a like new, just like it came from the factory look. Look at this car. Years of brutal Florida sun and its UV rays have badly faded this truck's trim. That Black Stuff Black Trim Restorer is no ordinary coating. It's a revolutionary breakthrough acrylic polymer that simply wipes on to permanently bond to your car's faded trim and restores it to a deep black factory look. That Black Stuff is perfect for your faded bumpers or vehicle's trim. That Black Stuff is a permanent high-tech coating that won't wash off. That Black Stuff can restore this truck's badly faded trim. Just wipe on and you're done. You can use that Black Stuff anywhere to instantly restore your faded black trim or change the color on any plastic, rubber, leather, metal, or vinyl anywhere in your vehicle, motorcycle, boat, or RV. And the best part is that Black Stuff contains no greasy silicones or other products that just wash away when you wash your car. That Black Stuff is a permanent high-tech solution for your faded automotive trim. That Black Stuff makes your car look new again and can also help increase your vehicle's value when you go to sell. Click on over now to thatblackstuff.com and see for yourself how that Black Stuff can make your car's trim look new again.